All right, 40 days of sunshine, and we got about 3 inches of snow overnight here in Cincinnati. The sun is nowhere to be found. It's freezing cold. I can't even find my car here today. Station is coated, the 4all is coated, the grill is coated, the Sport is coated, but I have my eggs in here. And I'm going to see if I have hot eggs. They're warm. Are they cooked? Nope, probably not. Darn it. Well, I better clean off that snow. It's time to get cooking, folks. I can't wait. On the inside, it's nothing but pure reflectors. I'm gonna point this guy to the south and hope it heats up.
Anything to make you smile.
Brr. What is this? Oh, it's a GoSun. It can work through the clouds in the freezing cold. Again, luckily I had some quinoa from over the weekend still in the fridge. Threw some mustard on there and I was in business. Okay, day 34, it's freezing cold out here. We got 3 inches of snow overnight. The GoSun out in the sun for now 28 hours trying to get these eggs to cook up. I'm gonna take one from the middle. It's definitely warm. That's a good sign. But I am super hungry, folks. So I'm gonna have to get something done here in order to pacify my belly, because it is grumbling. So there you go, a hot egg after about 26 hours in the GoSun Sport on a snowy day. Yeah, that's pretty cooked. Delicious. I love them. Hey, can your solar oven do that? Cook on a snowy day through 3 inches of snow? Man, that's good. No salmonella there, folks. I will survive. Just like Rocky Balboa. Hot eggs on a snowy day. You have no idea how good this is. I just slurped a couple soft-boiled eggs and I've got 4 more ready for dinner. Man, life is good out here. There's the sun somewhere. I also had some rice that we had cooked using solar electricity in a new innovation that I've yet to reveal. Threw on some rice seasoning, it has all kinds of nutrition, and I had a fantastic dinner.